Hi, we have classified this post in 5 sessions. First one, digital marketing interview questions and answers, SEO interview questions and answers, SEM interview questions and answers, social media interview questions and answers. In this video, we are only giving information about digital marketing questions and answers. Remaining topics will cover under my next video. First question, what is digital marketing according to you, and why are you interested in pursuing a career in it? Whether you are experienced in the field or a raw graduate hoping to be employed, the following interview questions for digital marketing range from being generically personal to more technically focused towards digital marketing. We hope you find this useful. To answer this question, you have to be honest and excited about the company you have applied to. Express the reason why you are keen on digital marketing and the challenges you are looking forward to facing. Some of the reasons can be, you can answer like, I have inclined towards marketing and technology, and digital marketing gives me that opportunity to explore both. You can also answer like, digital marketing has a great scope in the present and future, and that is why I want to pursue a career in it. You can also answer like, digital marketing is a field which is evolving rapidly, and I want to have a career which has such fast phased changes as I enjoy it. Moving to second question, how would you categorize digital marketing? The two main categories of digital marketing is, one is inbound and second one is outbound. Inbound, utilizing multiple platforms to make customers aware of the company's doing. Outbound, reaching out reaching out to potential clients. Moving to third question, what are the most efficient and useful marketing tools? If you are a beginner but have done a course in digital marketing, you will know some of the common tools like keyword planners, search console, Google Analytics. There are lot more keyword tools. There are lot more not lot more tools. This question is also asked for advanced digital marketing interviews, and therefore it is a good to be aware of some of the common digital marketing tools used by the industry professionals. Moving on to the next question, why do you believe that offline online marketing will be more beneficial to our company compared to offline marketing? This is a common question that is asked to beginners who are keen to enter in the world of internet marketing, since the most common statement they make in every interview is that I'm interested in marketing. The interviewer definitely wants to understand then why online marketing. The answer to this one can be subjective, and you can have your own reasons and preferences. Here is our advice. Talk about the constant technological changes and developments happening. How online marketing platforms have erased the path of reaching out to a larger audience. There is a higher capacity to reach out to a larger audience, the relevant audience at a reasonable cost. A better scope to analyze the performance. Online marketing gives quick analysis and task done, amount spent and ROI, return on investment. This helps you grow and understand business and customers faster and better. Digital marketing is now used by a small and medium sized businesses as well. So there are ample job opportunities. Moving to next question. Do you believe that there are limitations or challenges to digital marketing, and how would you overcome these? Online marketing is dominant in today's time, but offline marketing was also successful for a reason and appealed to earlier generations. Do not be completely biased towards the online world. Moving to next question, what are the difference between digital marketing and branding? Keep all the points clear and try to avoid kind of overlapping. Digital marketing communicates a specific desired message to message sorry desired message to a target audience. Branding Branding is advertises or projects the overall brand to attract a wider audience. Moving to next question, what is your strategy to improve our current business through digital marketing? Do not be quick to spill out a plan or strategy. It will be advisable to understand the business well in advance, analyze the competitor, identify the strengths, and list down the opportunities. Take the maximum input from the interviewer and note down the points. Take considerable time from the interviewer to draft a strategy around these segments. Most of the time, an answer to this can turn the tables. That is a smart strategy. Is a job guarantee. So plan it properly.